I will need a breakout room with Miss Craighead.
Okay. Ms. Craighead, I'm going to send your attorney to the meeting room. Yes, Madam Prosecutor?
And Ms. Harris, the people would offer OWVI. I was mistaken because I believe it was a super or high VAC. However, in 2012, I don't think those were being prosecuted the same, so I am able to take that down to a VI.
Thank you.
She got them off Amazon.
That was smart. That was a genius idea.
Do you need to talk?
We're back on the record on People versus Rachel. Counsel, how are you and your client proceeding?
Good morning, Your Honor. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Craighead. Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Craighead is going to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
All right, Ms. Craighead, if you can raise your right hand, I will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand and your name for the record.
Michelle Denise Craighead.
Ms. Craighead, it's my understanding you wish to waive your trial rights and tender a plea of guilty to the plea offer. Is that right?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you give up your trial rights, which include the right to have the prosecutor prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to testify at your trial, to have witnesses appear on your behalf. You give up the right to be silent at your trial, not have your silence used against you. And you give up your right to an automatic appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand that if you are currently on probation or parole, tendering a plea of guilty could impact your status. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything other than this plea offer to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Ma'am, I draw your attention back to December 2nd, 2012, 3:45 in the morning. Were you operating a 2006 Ford Fusion near Seymour? Near Seymour?
Yes. Yes.
And prior to, did you have alcohol to drink?
Yes.
And counsel, are you and your client stipulating that at the time of the stop, the blood alcohol level was a 0.16 and 0.17?
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
Are you now satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is as well satisfied, will accept the guilty plea, will amend that to operating while visibly impaired, will dismiss the remaining matters with the stipulation of probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Those matters are dismissed. Sergeant Holman, you are released. Thank you for your time. Be safe. Ms. Craighead, you will not be sentenced today. Do you have pen and paper with you?
Yeah, I have some right now.
Okay. Your sentencing date will be May 27th, 2021 at 8:30 in the morning in this Zoom courtroom. And I need you to call probation to schedule your interview for your substance abuse evaluation. It's a pre-sentence report that is required by law. It's an interview you have to do prior to the court sentencing you. So you must call this number to probation. It's 313-9.
Okay. 9 what?
965-3414.
Okay.
So you'll call them after you hang up with us and let them know that you need to schedule your pre-sentence interview. And you just took a plea before Judge Hinnant-Johnson on the operating while visibly impaired. Madam Clerk, do you have the information needed for fingerprints?
The fingerprint order, Your Honor?
Yes.
I can print one.
Okay, but Ms. Craighead needs, I'm assuming will need to be fingerprinted unless she was back in 2012 upon her arrest. Do you have the information on where she can go to get fingerprinted?
I can find out before she hangs up, Your Honor.
Okay.
It usually is down here at the courthouse, but they're not letting anyone in, so I'm not sure at this point.
Let me,
And did you say it was May 17th?
no, ma'am. Your sentencing date is May 27th,
Okay.
at 8. So while we're looking for the fingerprint information, your bond will be continued. Again, conditions of your bond are no driving without a valid license, insurance, or registration. You are prohibited from consuming alcohol. You are prohibited from consuming marijuana unless it's prescribed to you by your doctor. You are prohibited from consuming any controlled substance unless it's prescribed to you by your doctor. Do you understand?
Yes.
You can't visit bars or any place whose primary purpose of business is to serve alcohol, okay?
Okay.
Give me one moment. Let me try and find the information for the fingerprints. Madam Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you reach out to Ms. Joyce or Ms. Knight, Carmen, to see?
I just did. I just called her. She's gonna give me a call back with the information.
Okay. Ms. Craighead, take
Yes.
that, the courtroom's telephone number. Or you know what, let me give you this courtroom's telephone number. And Madam Clerk, I'll ask Ms. Craighead to give you her phone number, so when you get the information, you can call her with it.
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Craighead, the courtroom's telephone number is 313-965-2403.